Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to stay safe when using public Wi-Fi by connecting through a VPN. Step 1. Choose a reliable VPN service. Popular options include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and ProtonVPN. Always download the app from the official website or an app store. Step 2. Install and open the VPN app on your device. Step 3. Sign in or create a new account if you need to. Step 4. Choose a server location. You can pick a country you prefer or use the recommended one for better speed. Step 5. Tap Connect. Once it's connected, your data is encrypted and your browsing is protected. You can now safely check your email, shop online, or use social media on public Wi-Fi. When you finish, open the VPN app again and disconnect. To sum up, always turn on your VPN before entering passwords or private details on public Wi-Fi. It's a simple way to keep your information safe and your connection private. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.